I've just come across one of the easiest ways that you can make money right now today, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys in this video. And if you use this method, you can make anywhere from just a couple $100s to thousands of dollars per day. And the good thing about this platform or this website is that you're not just using one strategy to make money here. There are multiple strategies, and you can just pick one that you're really good at, or even if you're not good at it, you can just choose one and then practice until you're very good at that one strategy to make money, or we can even use multiple strategies here. But there are a lot of different ways that you can make money here, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can easily make money from this one website. And another good thing about this is that one, if you have some money up front to make an investment, if you have at least like $100 to invest, this is actually a very good way to start getting passive income right now. And even if you don't have any money up front, then we're gonna talk about how you can still make money as well. So I'm not gonna waste any time in this video. I'm gonna get right to the point. So the website is Flippa. This is actually a website that you can go and flip a website. And if you have no experience with creating websites, flipping websites, if you know nothing about website creation, don't worry, this is really simple. You're not really gonna have to do any of that stuff. And I'm gonna explain everything in this video. And again, as I mentioned before, there are multiple strategies to make money here, and I'm gonna give you guys all the strategies. So you can just choose whichever one you like the most, whichever one you think you'll be most good at, and then you can use it, or you can use them all, and you can definitely make a lot of money here. However, just before we get into that and all the details, just a quick reminder, if you are new to the channel, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about crypto and just about everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos, you want to keep these free videos coming, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on, and that way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos on this channel. And also, if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. And with that said, let's jump right into this video. Now, one of the first ways to make money on Flippa is actually not by flipping any websites. It's simply by going on their purchasing an entire web business, and you make money because that business is already making money. So for example, if you just go on Flippa on the homepage, a business like this, for example, this is a Minecraft business that already makes around or generates around $36,000 per month, and it's monetized from ads, and the asking price here is 1.4 million. Also, we have a bidding war here. This is listed as confidential. Some websites will be listed as confidential because they don't want anyone to come and steal their ideas. So you won't know what it is until you bid. The monetization method here is ads, and the current bid is $62 or 62,000 rather. And if we go down even some more, we can see this other one here is making around $9,900 in profit per month, but the current bid is at $380,000. So you can actually come here and you can buy a website, and you could pretty much just get the business. You start running the business, you start making money from day one, and that's how you can do it, right? You can also improve on the business. You can try to make some more money. You can max out the sales or the affiliate commissions, or whatever it is that they're using to currently monetize this website. But the point is, you can come here and you can simply just buy a website, you can buy a web business, and you can start making money right now. The problem right here though is that if you're watching this video, you most likely don't have 1.4 million to buy a website on Flippa and make money. So what you want to do is you want to go to some beginner friendly web businesses. So we can go in the beginner section, and we can also filter by lowest price, and that way you can see the lowest costing websites here. So for example, you have some here for $500 today. The lowest websites or the lowest costing websites are for $500. And for example, this one is making $81 per month in net profit. Not gross, but net. Also, this one is making around $50 per month in profit. So this means that if you actually paid $500 for one of these, you should break even in around 10 months. So in just under a year, you break even, and they show you the types of monetization. For example, this one is by ads, this one is from affiliate sales. So the point is, you can come here, you can just purchase a website, you purchase a full online business, and just continue doing whatever that website or whatever that business is already doing, and you'll continue to make profits. The website eventually pays for itself in a year. You can have a collection of these websites, or you can just keep them for a year, 2 years. And once you make back your initial investment and some profits, of course, you can then flip the website. You can probably do some adjustments, some tweaks. You can try to get the income up, and then you can flip it in like 2 years or 2 years later for even more money. But the point is this. This right here is the easiest, most straightforward way of making money from Flippa. Simply come here with your money, you make an investment, you spend like $500, $600, maybe even $700. You get one of these web businesses, you run it for a year, you break even or you get the income up, and then you flip it and you make even more money. Also, keep in mind that although the net profit from these websites may be like $30 to $50 per month, the creators of these websites simply just create them. They get them monetized, whether by affiliate sales or AdSense, and then they put them on Flippa to sell them. So they're not really like trying to make a lot of money from these websites. They're just basically creating the starter websites, they're getting them monetized to sell them, and so they're basically handing you a website and a web business saying, hey, here you go, we already did all the hard work, we already created the website, we got it monetized. All you need to do now is to take this business, do some marketing, and you can scale the income up, and then you can actually make a ton of money from this business because it's already generating $30 to $50 per month. And you can actually scale these websites up to $1,000 per month easily from affiliate sales or ads or AdSense or whatever other methods that they already use to monetize these starter websites. Now, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, you don't actually have to know how to create a website. So that's one way that you could do it. You could go out there, you could create a website, and you could list them on Flippa and try to get them sold. You may even be able to pay people on Fiverr to create websites for you. But what you can do is you can scan Flippa every day for deals, and if you find like a really good, let's say a niche website with a good affiliate program that has the potential to make a lot of money, you could then bid or you could buy that website on Flippa, and then the next week you can list it or relist it on Flippa and sell it for even more money. So basically you can come on here, you can look for the best websites in good niches with good monetization, and then you can purchase them at a low price. You can give it a week, 2 weeks, and then you can relist them for even more money. You can flip them, and that way you can actually make some profits. And actually, let's go over to Fiverr, for example. This is a Fiverr top-rated seller with almost 1,000 5-star reviews. He has 12 orders in queue, so he's doing a lot of business. And here it says he will build your own dream affiliate website. So this could be an Amazon affiliate website or maybe ClipBank or whatever you want, and he'll do up to 2,000 plus products, 15 categories, auto blog plus Google SEO, and he's charging only $80 for this service. So you can actually go on Fiverr. You could know absolutely nothing about creating websites or doing affiliate marketing with websites, but you can actually come here, pay a professional to do it for you, and you can pay them 80 bucks, and then you can go on Flippa and you can list this website for $1,000. So instead of going on Flippa, spending $500 for one website that makes $50 per month, you can actually come on Fiverr, and for $500, you get 6 of these websites and list them all on Flippa for $500 each. And that way you just made around $2,500 without actually knowing much about website designing or affiliate marketing. You can even do this for like Shopify websites, for like drop shipping websites, just about everything. You can get it done on Fiverr really cheap, and you can get it done by a professional. So this is another way that you can actually get the website for cheap and then be able to put them on Flippa and sell them for a lot more money. Now, if you have absolutely no money, like you have $0 and 0 cents, well, YouTube is going to be your best friend. You can actually learn how to create a simple WordPress website on YouTube. You can learn how to install a theme. You can learn how to install the plugins. It's really simple. You can create your own affiliate website. All you really have to pay for is the domain and hosting. And those are just a few costs that you can't get away from. So you'd have to pay for your website like www.whateveritis.com, and then that is going to cost you maybe like $20. So it's still not a ton of money. And then you can actually create your first website. You could list it on Flippa where you could sell it for like 500 bucks. Then you can take that money, you can go to Fiverr, you can pay professionals to create like 4 or 5 professional websites for you. You can flip those, You can repeat the process as many times as you want, and this is how you can actually start making a lot of money here. So this is just another really easy way to make money online, not complicated. You don't need to spend any money on any expensive courses. You don't need a college degree, and you can definitely pull this off if you want to. I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know if you've ever used Flippa before, or if this is something that you'd be trying right now. Also, don't forget to check out my playlist, How to Make Money. I have over 100 videos. And with that said, all the best with making money, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.